In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and 4K GPS Drone package. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package comes with a UHD camera that delivers high-resolution images and videos, providing an engaging flying experience with its 5 GHz ultra-fluent FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens. The drone's GPS-assisted flight feature ensures that the drone always returns when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or when the auto-return button is pressed, providing peace of mind for the user. Featuring an upgraded configuration, the drone boasts 2 enhanced batteries that provide a longer flight time of 60 minutes, and its brushless motors offer a quieter, stronger flight. The drone is easy to operate with multiple functions such as automatic takeoff and landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and electric fence, making it ideal even for beginners. The drone's considerate design includes an advanced LED screen remote control which displays the battery level and GPS signal, and its control range reaches up to 3,000 feet. With a foldable design and a well-fitted carrying case, this drone is easy to take outdoors, making it an ideal choice for those who enjoy outdoor activities. The HS360S GPS drone and the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package are both excellent choices for drone enthusiasts, each with their own unique features and advantages. The HS360S GPS drone, manufactured by Holy Stone, prides itself on its lightweight design and advanced connection technology. It offers a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor equipped 4K camera and an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet. In contrast, the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package offers a high-resolution UHD camera, GPS-assisted flight feature, and an extended flight time of 60 minutes due to its 2 enhanced batteries. The TENSSENX drone also has a unique, considerate design with an advanced LED screen remote control. While the HS360S drone has a user-friendly control system and precise GPS positioning, the TENSSENX drone has a simple operation with multiple functions and an upgraded configuration. In terms of price, the HS360S drone is priced at $199.99, while the TENSSENX drone is more affordable at $108.89. Both products have high review scores, with the HS360S scoring 4.5 and the TENSSENX scoring 4.1. In conclusion, both drones offer excellent features, and it ultimately depends on the specific needs and budget of the consumer to decide which drone is the most suitable choice.